How to turn off the sensitive content setting. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn off your sensitive content in your Twitter application. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to log in your account. So once you log in your account, and here in the top left corner there is the option of your profile, you have to simply click on it, and from here you have to go on the settings and support and click on the settings and the privacy. So now once you are in the settings and the privacy, here is the option of the privacy and the safety. You just have to click on it, and here is the many various option. You have to click on the content you see. Now what you have to do is, here you have to make sure that this option of the display media that may contain sensitive content is turned off, and if it is on, you have to toggle off this option, and after that you are able to turn off the sensitive content setting. And if you go in your Twitter application, and if you click on your profile, go on the settings and support and click on the privacy, and from here you have to go on the privacy and the safety and click on the content you see. And as you can see that in the Twitter application there is no option to turn off the sensitive content, so you have to log in your browser, and from here you are able to turn off the sensitive content setting. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.